Alright, so we're out at Castle Mountain harvesting Tipi poles, and got a big crew from housing here and some family members stripping the poles because we're going to be making a housing teepee that's going to be at the Siksika Fair. And here's Warren just to say a few words about what this day means.
Hey, good afternoon. So, very good participation from housing, and we're this weekend, Saturday. Everybody's getting out. I guess for me, it'll be like a brotherhood or like a family. We're all doing teepee poles, and we're doing the best we can. And the significance is, loving our lodge, so connects us with housing. And our lodge, we want to love our lodge, take care of it, and hopefully we can get the message out. So we're in a teepee harvest season, so we're doing a lot. There'll be a lot of new flowers blooming in the spring, and this is a part of it. This is where the Blackfoot start their work. This is getting their lodge poles.
Yeah.
And that's the pine lodge, our lodge pole pine.
Awesome. Thank you. Sorry.